Go to mark. Good boy. Lay down. Good. On your feet. Good. Back it up. Back it up. All the way back. Good job. Walk slow. On your mark.
Good girl. Spin left and mark. Good. Lay down. Good. On your side. That's it. Roll over. Stand. Good. Shuffle right. Cross them. Keep going. Good job. Shuffle left and stop. Back it up. Back it up. All the way back. That's perfect. Diджа, come stop on the dime. Roll. That's the way. Jump. Roll over. Hands up. Bang. Play dead. Good kitty. Who says cats can't learn? Wait. Yes! As you've just seen, cats can be taught all sorts of things. Check out my tutorials and my other videos. Diджа and I would like to thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Subscribe here.